So today it's going to be a little special. We're going to go over the top 5 things that older cars had, new cars don't, and they really should. Well, it's cold, it's dark, and we've clearly got some snow to remove before I can even get in there. Okay, let's do it. Whew. Sorry it's dark in here, but that's all the lighting I got. So, thing number one old cars had, new cars really should, is the simple pull vent, right? Right here. Just simply pull for air, push for no air. Air comes popping out right there. Why should newer cars have that? Because it's bulletproof. Yeah, that thing's over 50 years old. Works just fine. How many times have you ever had an electronic go out and your blower motor's all weird and everything? No, just lever, it'll work. 50 years later, still working. That's why newer cars should have that. Less things to fail. Thing number two, newer cars should have, and older cars did, roll up windows. Roll up, roll down. You know why? Because when I'm going through a drive-through in the Daily Driver, and I go to roll down my electric window and the damn thing's all frozen up and won't move, yeah, that wouldn't happen with the old school. You could power through that thing, right? There ain't no freezing up on that. Thing number three, and really, this should have never disappeared. I don't know why it disappeared in the first place. You see that button right there? That's your high beams. You just click that button to go from low beam to high beam. See? How simple is that? While the Europeans and whatnots had theirs, right here, way back in the day, we deliberately chose to have it on the floor because we thought, as Americans, that it was too distracting to have up here. Until what happened? We started getting import cars in. Import cars had up here, so we caved in. Never cave in. Now, number four is really close to my heart. I mean, this one's just stupid why we don't have these anymore. Your triangle windows. Whatever happened to these things? That is the most useful thing ever. You push it out a little bit, it keeps the wind from smacking you in the face. Oh, but you push it out a lot, and now it funnels wind into your face. It's such a simple, easy concept. Why'd we ever get rid of this? And not to mention, it looks just stylish as hell. Last but not least, by a long shot, number five. I'll do it again for you. Yeah, I don't have to explain what that one is. That should still be around. Well, that's it for now, and I'm gonna go warm up. Catch you next time. Oh, it's too cold out here. Sorry, Oran. Sorry, Oran Horse.